What happened in 1360 that killed more English troops than any previous battle? On this day in history, April 13th, 1360, a freak hailstorm kills nearly 1,000 English soldiers. Known as Black Monday, this murder storm occurred during the 100 Years' War. King Edward III was trying to conquer France, and the French decided to wait it out inside. So Edward ravaged the countryside. And then a storm appeared. One man described it as a foul day full of mist and hail, so that men died on horseback. Lightning struck, horses scattered, men were pelted to death. Was it a sign from God? Edward thought so. He quickly renounced his claim on the throne of France. I always say, you can't fight weather. Until tomorrow, and who am I? History.